Hello everyone, my name is Rimpi Samria and welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we will be understanding degrees of adjectives. So without any delay, let's start. So before understanding the degrees of adjectives, we should know what are adjectives. So adjectives are words that describes a noun or a pronoun. So what are nouns? Nouns are like name of a person, place, thing, emotion, etc. So when we describe these things, those describing words become the adjectives. Okay? Now let's take example of adjectives. Rima is a beautiful girl. So if I say Rima is a girl, okay, but when I have to describe Rima, I'm using the word beautiful here. So the word beautiful will be adjective. Then one more example is Rohan is an intelligent boy. So here the word intelligent is describing Rohan, the noun, right? So that's why the word intelligent is adjective here. So this is what adjective is. Now let's understand the degrees of comparisons of adjectives. Now there are three degrees of comparison of adjectives. First, positive degree, second, comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Now in positive degree, we do not compare anything, but we only describe the thing. Okay, there is no comparison in it. Second is comparative degree. Here, we compare two things, only two things, not more than that. And in the last one, superlative degree, we used to compare more than two things. All right, more than two things in superlative degree. Now let's take some examples to understand. Rohan is a tall boy. Now here I'm describing Rohan. So here the adjective tall is in positive degree. Okay, because I'm not comparing Rohan to anyone else. That's why it is positive degree. And in the second example, Rohan is taller than Anshul. Now here we are comparing two people, Rohan and Anshul. So when we compare two people, it becomes comparative degree. So here the word taller is in comparative degree. Okay. Then comes Rohan is the tallest of all the boys. So when we are comparing between like more than two things, then it becomes superlative degree. So here I'm comparing Rohan with the rest of the boys, all the boys. So this becomes superlative degree. So the adjective is tallest. All right. Now let's understand the formation of the degree of comparison. There are few ways in which we can uh, formate them. Let's understand. The first way is by adding ER and EST to the positive degree. Okay. So in the positive degree, if the example is bold, so comparative can become by putting ER here, bolder, and superlative can become by putting EST in our positive word. So it is boldest. Let's take more examples. Kind, kinder, kindest, strong, stronger, strongest. All right. Now there is one more way of forming the degree of comparison by adding R and ST to the positive degree. Now let's take example to understand this. For example, our positive degree is large. So if we want to make it comparative, we have to put R. So it will become larger. And for making it superlative, we have to put ST. So it will become largest. Alright. Then wise will become wiser and superlative wisest. Brave, comparative will be braver and superlative will be bravest. Alright. Now there is one more way of forming the degree of comparison by adding more and most before the positive degree. So just by adding more in comparative and most in superlative, we can form the comparative and superlative forms. Okay. So if the positive degree is active, so comparative will become more active and superlative will become most active. Let's take few more examples. Beautiful will become more beautiful and superlative most beautiful. Positive is careful, so comparative it will become more careful and superlative most careful. All right. Let's understand the other way of forming the degrees of comparison. It says the irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degrees. Now, this is irregular way, not the regular one. So, what it says is if the positive word or the positive degree here it is bad, so forming comparative, the other word will be worse, and superlative is worst. Much, more, most, little, less, least. All right, so here we are not putting any er or st, we just have to change the whole word. So this is the irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degree. So dear friends, these were the degrees of adjectives. I hope that you understood these. If you like the video, please hit the like button and hit the bell icon also, and subscribe to my channel. You can also give your views in the comment section. Now I'll meet you in my next video. Till the time, take care. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.